Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I'm going to be sharing with you special occasion for decorating table now. You know me, I'm all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less, so I'm sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. One, cast a moody glow. Table lanterns can add a moody glow indoors. Display a couple on your dining table and dim those harsh overhead lights. 2, rotate seasonal decor. A vessel like a large decorative soup tureen can be repurposed season after season. Use it to house evergreens in the winter and then place gourds inside when fall arrives. 3, use farmhouse elements. A woven basket is a great decorative piece to set out on a farmhouse-inspired table. Pair it with a checkered table runner and some ceramic vessels, and you're golden. 4, decorate with beads. Fill a tall pedestal with decorative beads and place it in the center of your dining table for an artful yet simple centerpiece. 5, choose a modern display. When decorating, remember the rule of thirds to create a harmonious mix. In this modern home, a trio of tall, empty neutral vases looks sophisticated atop a round table surrounded by curved chairs. 6, try black pillar candles. We see a lot of taper candles displayed on dining tables, but pillar candles look chic, too. Choose candles in a color that will really pop. In this dining space, black complements the sideboard and dining chairs perfectly. 7, cluster small vases. If you collect small vases, give them the VIP treatment by clustering them together on the dining table. Even when they're not filled with flowers or branches, they still make an artful statement. 8, fresh flowers. Fresh flowers instantly brighten up any area of the home, and your dining table is no exception.